Hey, so some people have been asking me how to rush tops, so I thought I'd record one to show you guys and just give a general guideline. So basically, when you rush tops, you're just literally going to run through the whole thing, and basically you can rely on your speed, your defense, and your HP potions to help you get your way through. Obviously, some classes, such as Rogue, Trickster, Mystic, Priest, Paladin, are going to have some abilities that they can use to kind of help them out. So basically with Rogue, obviously you want to, if you cloak, the spikes don't actually hit you and the minions ignore you, so you just want to cloak at the right times, and it's pretty easy. For Mystic, you can actually stasis the spikes, and that's a really big thing. And obviously Paladin and Priest, they can heal, Tricksters can teleport. Yeah, so basically the three stats you're gonna want to really care about are your defense stat, your speed stat, and your resistance stat. Okay, so defense basically cuts down the amount of damage you take, and a lot of it's just like tiny bits of damage. So that's when defense comes really huge, because defense is flat damage reduction. Okay, so speed, basically the higher speed you have, the less time to basically spend in the tunnels. And if your speed gets high enough, actually, the spikes, they won't actually trigger. You'll just run through them, and then the spikes won't pop up. 66 isn't enough. I think the cutoff is somewhere around 70 to 80-ish. I'm not entirely sure. And resistance is, restoration is obviously for HP pots. So the cutoff for 6 HP pots, I think, is like 91 or something, and 90. Is it 81 or 90, something like that? So if you have 6 HP potions, you're gonna be happy. The higher restoration you have, the easier it's gonna be. And so if we're looking at gear, right, we're gonna take gear that just basically gives us speed, defense, restoration. That's pretty good. And you don't have to be particularly like 12-12, but for some classes, it's going to be harder than others, and you're going to want a 24-24. So take care to spend as less amount of time as possible in the tunnels. So you're going to want to just go kind of quickly. You want to hug this side here, avoid those spikes, and then hug this side over here. Like, basically, you're going to want to drink potions at whenever your health hits around half. If you're just doing a lot of tops at the same time on the same character, you can usually gauge where the potions are where you're gonna need to drink potions at, and that's nice. So then you finish the boss. It's not too hard. I keep taking those for some reason. You're not really supposed to, but I have a few potions to spare, so I can get a bit lazy. Right. So that's basically it. And if you So basically, don't be scared to just run through it, even though it seems like you're taking a lot of damage. Just trust your HP potions, and just like constantly watch your HP. Right, if your HP goes down too low, just Nexus. It's not, and you can try again. I found that wizards, you can do it. You can do the strategy when you're 24-24 with a few res in your gear, but I've not tried a wizard 12-12 or anything like that. So basically, that's the gist of it. And yeah, this guide's pretty scuffed, but hopefully you guys get an idea of how that works.